write down the 10 term of the sequence. Actually, strongly encourage you to do the n term first. You all always think n term is damn difficult, but n term is not difficult. So from 50 to 45, you can see this is -5. This is -5. This is -5. Okay, if it decrease or increase with a constant number, then in this case, since it decreased by 5, your n term will sure have -5n. Okay, if it increased by 3, then it will be 3n. If it's increased by 7, then sure got 7n. If it increased by 13, sure have 13n. Okay, however, when you put n is 1 into this n term, do you get your 50 or not? You put n is 1, what do you get? You get -5, right? Is your first term -5? No, right? Your first term is actually 50, right? So how do we make it 50, ne? How do we make it 50? When we put 1 in, this is -5. To make it 50, what do? We add 55, oh. Now you check. When n is 2, -10 plus 55, 45. You see? You get the second term. When n is 3, -15 plus 55, 40. You see? You get the third term. Okay, so therefore the n term is just -5n plus 55. So you must first at least know that there is this -5n. Okay, then you put in the first term, then you try to add or subtract a number to make it happen. But this is only correct only when we add and subtract a fixed number. Let's say I have this plus 3 plus 5. I cannot start with 5n or anything. Cannot. It doesn't work like that. Okay, the addition or the subtraction must be the same throughout the entire sequence. Cannot be different. Okay, so you see, once you get the n term already, then the part A is very easy to do. The 10 term is just put the 10 inside and you get your answer, 5. Okay, so n term is a very powerful thing. So if the sequence is more complicated, normally what you look out for is the working. Don't go and look out for the final answer. Okay, for example, I give you this sequence 1, 1, 3, 6, 10. Okay, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term. You can see that it's very difficult for you to come up with the n term for this. However, if I break this down for you, this is actually 1 times 2 divided by 2. This is actually 2 times 3 divided by 2. This is actually 3 times 4 divided by 2. This is actually 4 times 5 divided by 2. Can anybody tell me what is the n term? Anyone?
n times n plus 1 over
Yeah,
2.
n times n plus 1 over 2. Okay, because you see, first term, this is 1, this is 2. Second term, this is 2, this is 3. Third term, this is 3, this is 4. Fourth term, this is 4, this is 5. So this is the pattern. So what I'm trying to emphasize here, the final product of the number doesn't really matter. The working is the more important one that allows you to see the pattern. So when you encounter more complicated number pattern, please focus on the working to recognize a pattern instead of looking at the final set of numbers. You look at the final set of numbers, see until tomorrow, you also don't know what to write. Okay, let me move on. I better erase this. Otherwise. Okay, so the emphasis is try not to use your calculator when you are doing number pattern. You are supposed to see a pattern from there. Okay, so if you use calculator more often than not, you will not be able to see a pattern. Can I erase already?
Yep.
Okay, I want to erase it because like that's not part of the question. Later people confuse. Okay, next. So take a look at this. This is +7, +7, +7. So Raiden, so what is the n term? Raiden, so
Thinking.
what do
Wait
we have?
first. Wait, I think.
Don't need to think one Straight away can write something down.
+7.
Oh my goodness, GG.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not.
Is what?
It's the. Wait, I thinking.
Don't need to think. Jude, tell him what do we write now?
I wasn't paying attention.
You see?
Nice one.
+7 means sure got 7n. +8 means sure got 8n. +9 means got 9n. Now you put n is 1 inside. 7 times 1 is 7. However, you need to get 2. So what do you do? So what do you do? Huh?
Never mind.
Raiden, do what?
What?
Anybody?
-5.
-5 to make the 2 appear. That's all. Okay, they want the 7 term. Just put 7 inside. 44. Okay? So
Wait,
that's
why
all.
-5?
What?
Why -5?
Because you put 1 in, you get 7, what? Then you want it to be 2. So 7 do what? To become 2.
-5.
Now you put 1 in, do you get 2? You put 2 in, do you get 9? You put 3 in, do you get 16? Okay?
Understand.
Next, another pattern. So what can we see? So like what I say, today this is a pattern. Do not see as a fraction. What you all will do is you press your calculator. 4/39 minus 1/38. Get a number out. 9/40 minus 4/39. Get a number out. Then write the number here. Oh, plus how many, plus how many. I tell you see until tomorrow, you also don't know what pattern it is. Okay? So how you should see the pattern? Don't need calculator, just recognize the pattern. Let's take a look. So this is what? 38, 39. You can see. So what we see pattern is don't use calculator. So can anybody tell me what's the next term? This is 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So you see as a fraction, the numerator is numerator, the denominator is denominator.
36.
So the numerator is 36, the denominator is
43.
43. Then what's the next one?
Uh,
Huh?
Next 4 term
48.
what?
49.
Wait,
49.
49. Yeah, 49. My bad.
7
My
squared is
bad.
48. Nice one, Alex.
44. Next. Don't know already.
64.
64 and
45.
next
81.
and 46. So find an expression for the end term. So the end term look like what? If you can write down these 4, normally you already know what's the end term. So you can see that the denominator, how does the denominators work? The denominator keep increasing by 1. So how does the end term of the denominator look like?
Is it n+1?
Oh my goodness.
What?
Plus 1 means got 1 n, please, not plus 1.
Oh, okay. Also, if
Then
you
when,
just now it's like +7, so means got 7n.
yeah lah.
Oh, okay.
So plus 1, but then when you put 1 inside, you get 1, right? You should get 38, what? So what should you do? Anybody?
What?
Jaden, yo, what should we do? If you're not paying attention, don't attend the lesson better, save time. You attend the lesson just to make yourself less guilty, but you're not learning anything, it's worse. Anybody?
What?
1n plus what or minus what? Zikai, what do we have? Zikai. Y'all don't chat now. I cannot see the chat. I'm sharing screen. Zikai, what do we have?
Don't know.
Don't know. Aiyo, today you put 1 inside, what number you get? You get 1, right? Your first term need to be what number?
-27.
38, right?
37.
So you need to add 37, right?
-37.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just 1n plus 37, but we don't write the 1 now, we just write n. So now you see you put 2 in, do you get 39? You put 3 in, do you get 40? You do, right? Now let's go back to the numerator. What's the end term of the numerator? Anybody? Huh? The numerator, what's the end term?
1.
N
The
square.
Yes, correct. The first term is 1 square. The second term is 2 square. The third term is 3 square. The fourth term is 4 square. So the n term will be n square. So this is the n term for the sequence. We see the numerator and denominator separately. Okay, let's move on. Stop me if you need anything. Polygon. GG. There's only 3 things you need to know in polygon. Sum of exterior angle, sum of interior angle is n minus 2 times 180. N is the number of side. Sum of exterior angle, always 360 degree. No matter how many side you have, the sum is always 360. Then one interior angle plus one exterior angle, what is it equals to? 180 degree. You must know that for polygon, where is the exterior angle? This is the interior angle. Where's the exterior angle? This is not the exterior angle. The
The
exterior
straight
angle, you
line,
need
straight
to
line.
draw a dotted line out. This is the exterior angle. That's why they add up to be 180 degree. Okay? So let's take a look at A. A regular polygon has interior. This find the number of side. When I want to find regular polygon means what? All angles same. All the side same length. Okay, so this is what a regular polygon means. So what happened is, normally when you don't know the number of side, you will use exterior angle. Why? The exterior angle is not affected by the number of sides. Okay, so if the interior angle is 135, then what's the exterior angle? Jude, what's the exterior angle?
360 minus 135.
Oh my goodness, see on top.
180 minus 135.
Oops.
180 minus 135. Exterior angle is 45 degree. So now you know one exterior is 45 degree, right? Then all the exterior angle will be 45 degree each, right? Correct. Then
360 divided by
yeah,
45.
all these angle and all these exterior angle add up will be equals to your 360. And if every exterior angle is 45, the number of them is just 360 divided by 45, which is 8 sides. Okay, you can also use the interior angle to find, but complicated. The interior angle formula is this: n minus 2 times 180. This is the sum, correct? Then you divide by n. You divide by n is to find one of them, then equals to 135. Do you want to solve this? Or do you prefer to do the exterior angle? Obviously, we prefer to do the exterior angle. Oh. Okay, next. Part B. How do I find the remaining angle? First thing, what should I do? If imagine I give you a triangle, I give you two angle, how you find the remaining angle? You take 180 minus these two, right? If I give you a four-sided figure, I give you these three, how do you find the last one? You take 360 minus that three angle, right? So what you need to know here is the sum of interior angle. Okay, because you remember that triangle is 180, quadrilateral is 360, that's why you don't apply the formula. However, now if you have nine-sided, how can you remember so many right? So we just use the formula. So sum of interior angle equals to what? 9 minus 2 times 180. That will give me 1260. So the remaining angle is simply 1260 minus 145 times 8. That will give me 100 degree. Any question? Understand? Jude, tomorrow recess I go and find you lah for consult. What? Recess is the best time. I'm very free.
I like kind of want to eat.
Eat how long?
There's lunch. There's lunch.
It's okay, there's lunch. I will
It's only
eat
20
lunch.
minutes.
Okay, next. The figure is made out of a square and a regular hexagon. Hexagon is how many sides?
What?
Hexagon how many sides?
10,
Huh?
10.
Aiyo, sometimes I really
What's your follow?
Hello, can count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Its figure is there. I trying to test your. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Bro, you know square got how many sides?
Yeah.
5.
Huh?
5.
Okay,
What?
good.
What fuck?
Okay.
So you
First,
say 5.
find reflex PQR. Which is reflex PQR? This or this? The green one or the red one?
The green one.
Green.
Red.
Yeah, red.
Reflex means more than 180 degree.
Sir, I can't see the difference between the two colors. Can you use a different color?
He
What do you mean?
colorblind.
Who's
Oh
that?
yeah. Isaac. Isaac.
I say extra time.
This one is purple. This one is blue. Can you see?
Thanks, sir.
The blue one is the one that is reflex more than 180 degree. Hello, even if without the color, you should know which one is more than 180 degree. What?
I'm just checking.
Okay, so they want this angle. So how to find this angle? You can see this angle made out of the interior angle of the hexagon and the square. So we just need to find the interior angle of that one. So sum of interior angle, formula 6 minus 2 times 180 degree, which is 720 degree. This is the sum of everything. So how to find one of them? One interior angle will be? Raiden, how to find one?
What?
How to find one interior angle
Of what?
of the hexagon?
Wait, let me see.
Divide by 6.
Wait, don't tell me lah.
Cannot. We will not be able to end if he don't tell you.
Yeah, divide by 6.
120. So this tells us that this angle is 120. Then we know that square is 90 lah. You don't need to do any working. So reflex angle PQR equals to 120 plus 90, which is equals to 210 degree.
Oh, I got it right, sir.
Don't need to be
You
so
are
proud
right.
of that. This is like very normal,
Oh,
Yeah. It's like you find out that 2 times 3 is 6, and wow, 2 times 3 is 6, that kind of reaction, like, needed. Okay, so what we need to do now is to find the number of side of this polygon. This polygon refers to which one? The hexagon or the square?
the
Which one are they referring to?
big one.
The big one. They are referring to this. Pink color, you can see or not? I don't know.
No.
Sir, yeah, I can see.
Okay, so they are asking for the number of side for this polygon. Raiden Su, this polygon got how many side? I know you're gonna say 4,
7.
right? Raiden, how many side this pink polygon have? 4, because that side got 4 side, right? Okay, so you must remember to find the number of side, which one do we go back to? We go back to our exterior angle. We go back to this. Okay, we go back to the exterior angle. But before we can find the exterior angle of that polygon, we cannot find it directly. What should we find first? We have to find the interior angle of the polygon. And where is the interior angle of this pink color polygon? It is this angle, correct?
Yeah.
Oh, so how do we find this angle? Angle PQR equals to 360 minus 120 minus 90. This will give me 150 degree. So this is the interior angle of the pink polygon. So how to find the exterior angle?
You minus
180 minus
180.
150. So now I know the exterior angle is 30 degree. How to find the number of sides?
360 over 30.
Yes, correct. 360 degree divided by 30, which is 12 sides. Okay, so polygon, you can solve all polygons question using just these three property. You don't need to know any other property. Huh? So you must know these three and work. You can see I can solve everything already. Oh. I move on, otherwise no time. You stop me if you really need. Okay, recap what is standard form. Standard form is A times 10 to the power of something. What is so special about A?
It must be below 10.
Between
1 to 10.
1 to 10. Okay, don't include 10. So how to write this? So the decimal place need to be put here 6.5699. Do you change to 368? Don't. Then this is 10 to the power what? How do you know it's 10 to the power 7 or minus 7?
Oh,
Because it's a positive number.
Or this one also positive number?
no, there's zeros in front.
No, you just need to know
Got
whether
no
this number is more than
decimal.
1 or less than 1. Is this number more than 1?
Yeah.
More than 1 means the power is positive. Less than 1 means the power is
Oh,
negative.
yeah lah.
Okay, so this is power 7. So if you're not sure whether you correct or wrong, what can you do? Press this thing into your calculator. Make sure this number come out. You reverse and check it.
So the calculator will just show the same thing.
The calculator will show this blue color one. Okay. So you will make sure so you key in this square box and then get the top one. You don't go and press the top one, of course it will give you the top one, not in standard form. Okay, next. This one, the decimal need to shift until here. So it's 2.854. How many times we shift? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Times 10 to the power of what? 6 or negative 6?
Negative.
Negative 6, because this number is less than 1. Okay, so it will be negative power. So if you're confused, that's how you remember. Those physics students, you should know this one. Okay, next. A tuft of grass grows approximately 7 picometer in 1 millisecond. How much the same tuft of grass will grow in 1 second? Okay, so we can always write this 1 millisecond. If you don't know, always go back to your primary school, this kind of thing. It will grow 70 picometer. So they want to find 1 second. How can we make 1 millisecond to 1 second?
You times minus 3.
Times 1000.
Oh. It's like the same thing. So.
Huh? Times 10 to the
10 to
power
the
minus
power
3 is
minus
times 0.001, not the same thing.
Oh.
If you don't know how to read, this means 1 millisecond is equal to 1 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. This is what this means. This is what this means. Okay, so you times 1000, this will become 1000. Then this will become 1 second. So we times 1000, this will become 1 second. When you times 1000 on this side, you need to times 1000 on this other side also. So this will give me 7000 picometer. So can I write the answer as 7000 picometer?
No.
Cannot, because the question say must leave answer in meter and express in standard form. So now what I need to do is to change picometer to meter. So read here, this one is what? 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So now what do? I need how many picometer? I need 7000. So how to make 1 picometer 7000? we times 7,000 on both sides. So this is 7,000 picometer equals to 7,000 times 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. Then is this standard form?
No.
No. So what do? The 7,000 we write as 7 times 10 to the power of 3. Okay. Then the 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of minus 12, it becomes 10 to the power of, when we multiply, power will add. So 3 minus 12 become minus 9. Okay, so that is the answer in meters in standard form. Okay, let me move on. The cash price of a television is this. The higher purchase price is a deposit of 15% and 12 equal monthly installment. Calculate the higher purchase price. Logically, should the higher purchase price be higher than the cash price or lower than the cash price? Huh? Raiden Su? Raiden Su? Is he there? Not there.
Yeah.
So higher purchase price should be higher or lower than cash price, even without calculating. Logically, you should have the answer.
Higher.
Why?
Wait.
Harold should be higher or lower?
Lower.
Harold, higher or lower? Should higher purchase price be higher than cash price or lower than cash price, even without calculating, using logic to think?
Wait, what? Wait, I see first.
Not paying
Lower.
attention. Should higher purchase price be higher than cash price or lower than cash price?
Higher.
Huh?
Higher.
Why?
Cause you pay 15% first, then after that you need to pay in like
Correct lah. It should be higher. When you pay people monthly installment, do you think, let's say today you want to sell me your handphone at $1,000. I say I don't want, I pay by installment. Do you think you charge me higher or lower than $1,000?
Higher.
For Raiden Su will charge the same price. Yeah. Or lower. Raiden Su will charge lower. Can.
Yeah, read.
So when people are unable to pay you directly, of course you charge people higher. Otherwise, what's the point? Correct? Why do you want people pay you back slower? People pay you 1,122, straight away got the money already. Now people want to drag your payment, of course you have to charge higher. And typically this extra amount that you charge is called what? Hello, POA that whole class POA don't know this. Yes,
So everyone
interest.
failed POA.
Yes, I didn't.
Okay,
Continue.
so all this is just because of the interest. Okay, so we should calculate higher. So higher purchase price is 15% of the what? So the deposit is 15% of 1,122, which is equals to $168.30. So the total amount he need to pay is what? The higher purchase price will be
So I can just put 0.3.
no money. You better don't.
Okay.
Why you want to give people the chance to deduct your marks?
Oh shit.
Plus 90 times 12.
I got it.
1248.30. Okay.
Wait,
John,
so
what?
for the exam they'll give us the compound interest, right? Like
Formula, yes.
then simple interest.
It's just simple
memorize.
lah. Actually, it's just logic. Simple interest don't even need memorize. It's logic. You can do using percentage. Okay. Anyway, John eat at a restaurant. This is what happened in your real life.
But I'm
You
not John.
Okay lah. Only John pay like that. You don't pay like that, okay? Yeah.
Arya, shut up.
Shut up.
Oh, sorry, Arya don't eat at a restaurant also. He ate at a hawker center. Okay. The bill is $100 excluding service charge of 10% and GST. What happened? How many of you go and do 19%? Straight away you are wrong. I think you all learn POA. I don't know whether you all learn this. Okay.
Never.
So you must understand that in Singapore, or actually in every country, your service charge is 10% of the bill. So this amount is what you pay to the restaurant. On top of this, the government is going to take 9% of this. This is how it calculates. So you cannot add the 10 and 9% and calculate, say 19% of $100. It doesn't work like that. So first you must calculate the bill including service charge. So how to find the bill including service charge? It's just 10% of my $100 plus my $100, correct? This will give me $110. Now, my bill including GST, service charge and GST. So two things. I need to calculate 9% of my $110 plus my $110. Okay, the 9% is on top of your bill plus. This is what happen when you go to a restaurant. This is real life. Not I cooked up this logic one. You go to a restaurant, you go and see the receipt. Next time you go restaurant with your parents, you go and see the receipt. Okay, this is how it's being calculated. Not 19% of your total bill. Okay, question 40.
Wait. Okay.
Question 40. Abby has an outstanding credit card with ABC. The bank charges compound interest rate of 24% per year. This is real. This is real. So this tells you you should not owe any credit card bill in the future to the bank. It's crazy one. Okay. After 3 months, the total extra interest she has to pay was this. What was the outstanding credit card bill? So compound interest formula is what? Just this. You write this, you are more or less limited skill. The whole formula is this. Total amount equals to this. Okay, so this 92 is interest. So how do we put in? So when you put in, you realize that, oh, P don't have. What is R?
The interest rate,
Anybody can tell me what is the number to put into R now?
24.
Wrong.
Huh?
24 divided by 12.
Yes, you have to see it is compounded monthly. That means interest is added every month. Interest is added every month. So if interest is added every month, do you think you can use a 12-month interest rate to calculate? You cannot. You have to use a 1-month interest rate to calculate. So if 12 months is 24, 1 month is just 2%. So the R is 2. Then what is the N?
This is 6.
N is just 3.
Oh.
Because you compound monthly for 3 months
Only.
only. Then now you will tell me how many things do I not know in this equation? Two
The-
things, right? One
The
thing,
P.
two things. This one you also don't know. The total amount you also don't know. There's 2 things that you don't know. So you cannot solve an equation when you got 2 things you don't know. So how to?
Oh, $92, right?
So we need to make use of the interest. So the total amount is actually P plus 92. Then can you see how many unknown do we have now? We only
One.
have 1 unknown. Okay, so now go and solve for P. So just press calculator. This one will give us 1.061208 P. Then what do? You bring this P over. Radon so 1.061208 P minus P become what? It's going to say 1.061208. Radon so answer for this one?
Wait, I thinking.
Need to think.
What's the question?
Huh?
What you asking me?
This equal what? Huh? Hello?
So just continue lah. So
Yeah, he's cooked already.
Oh, I know. 0.0612 to 08.
Like that.
Yeah.
oh, bro's cooked.
To find P, what do? You take 92 divided by that. You get 1,503.07. So you can see, you just owe the credit card $1,500. Then just 3 months, you need to pay $92 interest, That's crazy. Oh. So remember, next time when you grow up, credit card bill is something that you cannot own.
Okay.
It will compound crazily one. So you guess 1 year you need to pay how much?
A lot.
Imagine 1 year, based on this rate.
Jesus.
1 year you need to pay $1,900. So increase 1 year you increase
Oh.
$400 interest already. This is just because you own $1,500. So
Dang.
yeah, that's how the bank earn money. That's why bank don't mind giving you credit card. Okay, next, John deposit $10,000 in a bank, interest 10% per annum, compounded half yearly. What will the interest he receive after 2 years? So again, write down the formula first. Total amount equals to P bracket 1 plus R over 100 N. So the total amount you don't know, right? So do you know the P? Yes. P is 10,000. What is the R? Raiden, so what's the R? Jude, what's the R?
The R,
Yeah.
10%.
Oh,
Huh?
No.
10 over 2 times 100.
5%. Compounded half yearly. You add interest every
Oh,
6
shit.
months.
So 10 over
5
2 lah.
over 100. Ethan Koo, what's the N?
Lock in Ethan.
Ethan Koo.
He's sleeping.
Oh, nah. He actually sleeping.
I
Then he
think he
join.
playing his guitar, sir.
Then he join for what? Ethan Koo, you there or not?
Maybe you go
He's in a
toilet.
separate call with me and he's not even talking.
That's crazy. So you're on a separate call. Wow.
Oh.
Okay, so because of 2 years, so every
Oh.
6 months you add interest, right? So 2 years you add interest how many times?
Oh.
4
Oh.
times. 10,000 times 1.05 power 4. It will be 12155.0625. So what is the interest?
12155 minus the 10,000.
Yes, this one minus 10,000. 2155.06. Leave to 2 decimal, please. Yeah, we have 42 already.
Isn't there like 59?
Yeah. Next. Mr. Tan deposit $9,000 in a fund that pay compound interest. This compounded half yearly. Calculate the total amount at the end of 5 years. So just a repeat of the question. So total amount equals to P 9,000. 1 plus. What's the R? Joe, what's the R?
Yeah. 2.5. 2.5
No.
over
2.5 divided by 2.
Yes.
Half
uh-huh.
yearly.
2.5 divided by 2.
1.25. 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.25. Then Joe, what's the N?
Wait, how many years is it? 5
5.
years. So it's 10.
5. 2.
10.
Let's go.
Let's see.
Okay, so they ask for total amount. So what you need to look out for is whether they ask for total amount or are they looking for interest. Okay, this is something very important. Okay, 42B.
Maybe.
at the end of 5 years, he withdraw this and save this at a simple interest rate. Find the minimum number of years so that he has a saving of this. So simple interest formula is I equals to PRT over
100.
100. So if I want to have 11,000, my interest will be 1,000. Okay? Then your R is what? 1.6. Your T will be just T over 100. Okay?
11
What?
You
Wait.
what?
900.
You cross multiply.
1.0.4374. Wait. 1.3747 then 1.6. 304.69995 T
So T equals to
11.00000 T equals to
huh? What's so funny one?
304.952.
Missing 1 0.
5.8.
6.25. Yes. So what's the answer? Therefore, minimum number of years is 7. Okay.
Where did 100,000 come from?
Wait, what? Sir, I thought he withdraw. Eh. Wait, understand. Okay,
Cross
never mind.
multiply. This
Yeah,
multiply
yeah, yeah.
here.
Understand.
Times 100 on both sides of the equation.
Wait, so I don't get it.
Oh, you cross multiply 1,000 times 100.
Uh-huh.
Then you get 100,000.
Oh.
Okay. Next. Oh, still got Victor. I forget Victor is here also. Because just now I managed to see whose name there, then I remember who lor. I saw Zikai, Victor, Ethan Khoo, Isaac Ong. Yeah. I didn't I will not know who else joined because I cannot see it already. Okay, next to prove congruency, what do we have?
A.
You need A means all three angle is the same. All three angle is the same. Can it be similar or not?
Wait, no, I was thinking of S. A.
You can't
Wait, no.
differentiate A and S.
Wait. Let me rethink.
You need to think faster.
Wait, that's SSS. See?
You
Bro,
what?
you say A.
You say A.
No, then I say SSS.
Yeah, no shit.
You did not.
Yeah, bro.
No,
Okay.
you didn't.
No, it didn't.
Show that ATD is congruent to CFB. So how? First thing first, use what they give you. DB equals to FB. Reason?
Given.
Then next what? This angle equal this angle. Angle DBA equals to angle DBF. What's the reason?
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angle. So one more. This angle lor. And this angle. Reason?
Is that alternate?
Alternate angle. By ASA. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle CFB.
Sir.
What?
If I put angle BDA as angle ADF can or not?
Can.
Huh?
Okay.
BDA as angle ADF.
Can. BDA. Can. Why not?
Oh.
It's the
Wait,
same
but it's a
angle.
different triangle. What? I
But
mean,
it's the
it's not a
same
triangle.
angle. But it's the same angle.
Oh.
Okay.
And that's why you're laughing.
But as far as possible, it's better to use these three lah. So you also don't need to think so much, you see.
Yeah lah, fair.
Okay, boss.
Okay, next.
Okay, boss.
In a quadrilateral, this prove that PRS is congruent to QSR. PRS. QSR.
Oh,
So how to show? Of course, use what they give first.
PT.
Cannot use PT equals to QT, please.
Huh?
It's
Oh.
not part of the triangle.
Oh.
You have to say
Oh yeah.
PT plus TR
PR.
equals to QT plus
What?
TS.
What?
QT.
Then you will say PR equals to QS. Because they broke into two parts, so you have to say like that. You cannot just say PR equal QS given. Because they never give you. Next.
Wait, but then that means it's not given. What?
But the top part is given, my goodness.
Yeah, but
SR.
like basically half the equation isn't given. So like
Well, just keep quiet, bro.
Okay, then how about you present like that? I think you present like that, it's better for you. PT equal to
QT.
QT given.
Yeah, QT.
Arrow.
no, that's wrong, sir.
ST equal to RT given. Okay, then you say PR equal to PT plus TR. PT is QT, TR is ST. Then equal to QS.
Bro, I'm not writing that.
Okay, okay.
Okay, then the last but not least, what do we have? What else can we use?
Angle.
What angle?
Um,
Angle TSR. This angle equal to this angle. Why?
base angle of isosceles
Yeah,
triangle.
TSR equals to
Oh.
TRS. Isosceles triangle. By SAS. You use SAS, right? Yeah, correct. The angle cover the two sides. By SAS, triangle PRS is congruent to triangle QSR.
Wait, so for the SR equals RS, can you also put common like
Yeah.
okay?
Gavin also got join. I also remember now. Gavin also got join. Fabian never join.
No, screw him, bro. He going sleep, bro.
McDonald's.
Sir.
What?
For the isosceles triangle angle that one must use T
No, you just label anything as long as you is the angle can
Oh
already.
my days, this guy, bro.
Can.
Name
Didn't
two
he tell
other
you that like the question before?
what? Okay, name two other triangle that are congruent. Triangle
QTP and
PTS
QSR.
PTS
And
QTR.
QTR.
dynamic duo.
Okay, they never ask you to prove, don't need to prove. See, show that PQT is similar to RST.
Wait, what?
PQT. Aiyo, this one is so easy. RST. So how?
Vertically
Angle
opposite.
PTQ equals
Angle
angle
SPR.
What?
What?
Angle STR is equals to angle PTQ.
Angle
That's what I
STR equals to angle
That's what I said.
PTQ. Reason?
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angle. And then next.
Wait.
PQT equals TSR.
Why?
Alternate.
They got say parallel me? Got me? You already say, hence show that this is a trapezium, then you still say
Oops.
the second part already highlighted to you that you don't assume that they are parallel. So you can only use the side. So how to use the sides? We can say we have to say no. We can say TR over PT. The ratio of TR over PT is the same as ST over QT. Correct?
Yeah.
So this will settle two S's already. So this is your S and S. This is your A.
Oh.
So by
Oh,
SAS
like that can
triangle that it is like that. PQT is similar to triangle RST.
Wait, then how do we show that it's a trapezium?
I haven't reached there yet. You wait what?
I thought you finished the triangle part already.
Yeah lah. Then you ask me wait for what?
Wait, sir. Can we use alternate angle?
Cannot just say only. How you know they are parallel?
Better not pay attention in class.
Okay.
Your Sunren never join ah?
Never. That
Aiya, he
one.
always do different thing one. He's very funny one. You want do 2024 paper 1, he want to do 2024 paper 2. Really, when you are doing arc length, he's doing trigo.
Really?
Yes, in class he's
That guy.
always. I don't
Special
understand
guy,
his
bro.
logic. Like we do starting other thing, he do his tuition work. I think at his tuition he do the school work. I don't know why his mentality is really.
Mentality.
Hence show that PQRS is a trapezium. So how do you show that it's a trapezium? What is the criteria for it to be trapezium? This must be parallel to
SR.
this. So how can you tell me that this is parallel?
The triangle.
What triangle?
PTQ and STR.
So
No.
not no. So
What?
Oh my god.
I write the answer here. Okay. So first thing first, since triangle PTS is similar to triangle PTQ, PTS is PT. Wait, wrongly. PQT, and RST. Because these two triangles are similar, we will know what? We will know angle Q is actually equals to angle S. We will know that angle PQT is actually equals to angle RST. These two angles is the same. PQT is equal to RST. Correct? Because they are similar, not because they are parallel. We say these two are equal because we have proven that they are similar triangle. So now because these two angles are the same, then you use alternate angle to say that PQ and SR are parallel. By alternate angle, PQ is parallel to SR. Therefore, PQRS is a trapezium. Okay?
Each question, how many mark? The whole question.
Does it matter?
Yes.
Wait, how does the angles being alternate prove that they are that
You if
PQ
they
and
are parallel, then the angle is the same. So now if angle same, will they be parallel?
no?
Okay?
How many mark are this question?
Not much, maybe 6 or 8 at most.
6 is a lot, bro.
6,
Two,
7.
two only what? Next.
Why
The
not
last
7?
question 2 ma.
Oh my goodness. In the diagram, DF is parallel to BC, AC is parallel, blah 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 blah. When you got a lot of parallel lines, you must think of your alternate angle, interior angle, all this corresponding angle. Name a triangle that's similar to ADF.
ABC.
Triangle
ABC.
ABC. That's the most
ABC.
easy one. Okay, so how to prove that they are similar? Angle
BAC.
DAF equals to angle BAC. Common angle.
Common.
Wait,
Then next.
DAF also can, right?
What DAF? I write DAF what?
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Next. ADF equals to angle ABC. Reason?
Parallel.
Corresponding angle.
Oh,
No
Parallel.
property called parallel. By AA, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADF. B. Proof CEF is congruent to DEF. So how?
What the?
EF equals FE.
EF equals to FE. Common side. Then
DFE equals FEC.
angle DFE equal to angle FEC. Reason? Parallel. What's the reason?
Alternate.
Alternate.
Yeah, I know Aryan is going to say parallel.
What? No, I literally wrote down on my paper alternate angle.
Then next,
Bro.
DF equals EC.
angle DEF equals to angle EFC. Reason? Alternate angle. Please check your angle is covering the side. We use these two angle and this side. Oh, okay. So by ASA, triangle CEF is congruent to triangle DFE. Next, find the length of BC. How do we find the length of BC? Remember, whenever I want to find the length, I have similar triangle.
Ratio.
From the previous part, we know ADF is similar to ABC, right? So what I will do, I will write down AD over AB equals to DF over BC equals to AF over AC. Then we fill in the numbers. AD is 10, AB is 15, DF don't know. Oh, cannot I think cannot use this. BC
What? Why
don't know.
cannot?
We don't have a lot of information. Cannot. Can't. You see, if you write this down, you don't know, you cannot find anything. You can only find AC. You cannot find DF because you don't know DF, so you cannot find BC.
Triangle DB.
What?
Use triangle DB.
Yeah, correct. So we need to look out for another similar triangle. Where is the other similar triangle?
DBE.
Here and here. This and this. So from that two triangle, we will know that DB over AB is equals to BE over BC equals to DE over AC. So DB is 5, AB is 15, BE is 6, BC don't know, DE don't know, AC don't know. But then with this information, we just use these two is good enough for us to find BC. So cross multiply 5BC equals to 6 times 15, 90. So BC equals to 30. No. 18. Okay.
Wait, sir, that means you could have used the other one, but
Huh?
the AB equals AB.
What
What
AB? Oh my god.
What AB equal AB?
Never mind,
Okay.
never mind.
Next, the ratio of DBE to parallelogram DEFC. Wow, jialat difficult. So how? You must know that DBE and the parallelogram share this common height. This is the perpendicular height for both the triangle and the parallelogram. So area of DBE is just half time base, which is BE, times that height. What is area of parallelogram formula? Base times height.
Base times height.
Yeah, so DEFC, the base is EC, then the height is that height. So you can see the height will cancel. So what is BE? BE is actually 6. What is EC?
12.
AC is actually 12 because this whole thing is actually 18. So it's actually 12. So in the end, you get 1/4.
A quarter.
Oh my goodness, 9:30 already. And we are at
Sleep,
question
bro. But
46.
we started from 30, so we've done like 15 or 14.
Okay, geometrically similar. In O level, very important chapter. Two containers are geometrically similar given that the volume of the small one is this, big one is this. Find the ratio of the surface area. So small is to big. This is the ratio of the volume. It is 297 is to 1375. What's the first thing that we need to do?
Make it to
Simplify this
normal.
ratio first.
Yes.
So how do you simplify this ratio? You
You
take 297 divided by 1375. Press your calculator.
huh?
Bro, in fractions.
Yeah, what is it?
27 to 125.
27 to 125. Now, then you want to find the ratio of the area. Before you can find the ratio area, you have to go for the ratio of the length. So how do you go to ratio of
Cube
the length?
root.
You cube
Cube
root
root
27, you get 3. You cube root 125, you get
5.
5. So if you don't go and simplify the ratio and go and do cube root immediately, your number will be ugly with a lot of decimal. That's what happened during your WA.
Yeah.
So the area after that, you just square it. 3 square is to 5 square. 9 is to 25. That's the answer.
Yes.
Okay, part B, if the height of the container is 10 cm, find the height of the large container. So we can use this part to do it, correct?
3U equals
So
10.
3 unit is equals to
Oh.
5.
10 cm.
Oh.
1 unit equals to 10 over 3 cm. 5 unit equals to 50 over 3 cm. That's it.
Like 13
So
times.
we give in mixed fraction.
Yes. Doesn't
Wait.
matter what you leave, try not to leave decimal.
Oh, okay.
Fraction is the best thing to leave your answer in. Money don't leave in fraction nah. Okay, next.
And leave in fraction.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my day. Leave infection. You can leave infection. Money leave infection.
That's why I say everything need to say 3 times one. Then it will get
I'm
relate.
just making sure.
3 is the magic number.
Maybe need more. Okay, next. Find the length of BC. Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So AB square is 15 square. BC square don't know. AC square is 17 square. So to find BC square, we take 17 square minus 15 square. So BC equals to square root 8 cm. Find tangent BAC. This is my angle. So this is the opposite. This is the adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. So angle tangent BAC is just opposite over adjacent.
Jason.
Do I need to do tangent inverse?
No.
Don't need, because they're finding tangent BAC, not finding angle BAC. Next, how to find cosine ACD? This is the angle. Can we find this angle? Can we find? Cannot, right? This is not in the triangle, right?
Yeah.
So if I want to make use of the one in the triangle, what happen? We add a negative. It's actually negative cosine ACB. What is cosine ACB? Now this is my angle. This part will become my adjacent. This part will become my opposite. This will become my, it will still remain as my hypotenuse. So cosine ACB adjacent, which is 8, hypotenuse 17. Answer negative 8 over 17. Okay, next. Wow, long question.
Wow.
I think we will just finish until 3 go today.
Why?
Graph, we will do another day. Yep. So we finish these 3 go question.
Okay.
So maybe another 20 minutes or so. Okay, not enough space, so I have to squeeze a bit. A ship sails from port A at 10 a.m. So it starts from here at 10 a.m. bearing 50. So this tell me this is 50 degree. It sails at an average speed of 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour. Reaching port B at 12:35. From port B, he sailed to port A 90 km away. Then he sail again to port D, which is due north. The figure below is the rock taken by the ship. Show that AB is 77.5. How? How? Distance is equals to speed times
Time.
time. What's the speed? 30 km per hour. What's the time?
2
12,
hours,
2
35
hour
minutes.
35 minutes. So 2 hour 35 minutes is 2 and 35 over 60. You must change everything to hours. So you will get 75 at 7.5. Yeah. Part B, calculate the distance AC. How to calculate the distance AC? How
Wait,
to
sir,
calculate?
must we put shown for the 77.5 km?
You think you will get marks for writing shown?
Well, I thought you said we'll get penalized if we don't write it.
I never say that.
No. I
I
swear one
confirm
of the
never say
teachers said
that.
that.
I confirm never say that. Maybe Mr. VJ got say, but I so never say that. You think you will get marks for writing that? I can assure you no. Do you think you write shown or 1 mark 75.51 mark?
Okay,
B.
okay.
How to calculate B? It's a typical cosine rule pattern, right?
Yeah.
You got the included angle and the two sides. So AC square is equals to 77.5 square plus 90 square minus 2 times 77.5 times 90 cosine 111.
111.
Okay, that will give me 2 square root, sorry, forget square root. That will give me AC will be 145.316, approximately 145 km. Okay? Part C. Calculate BD. How to calculate BD? We first find this angle. Angle ABD. How do I find angle ABD? 180 minus 50. This is 130. Why do I find this angle? Because I want to find this angle. So angle DBC equals to 360 minus 130 minus 110. 120 degrees. So this angle is 120. Okay? You must think lah, if it's not cosine rule, then it must be sine rule already. Then now you want to use sine rule, you need to have the angle and the opposite side. What? So now BDC equal 180 minus 120 minus 25. 35 degree. So once I get this 35 degree, I can apply my sine rule to find my BD. So 90 sine 35 over 90 equals to sine 25 over BD. Cross multiply BD sine 35 equals to 90 sine 25. BD equals to 90 sine 25 divided by sine 35.
Wait, why is it not 36? Isn't it 360 minus 111 minus 130?
Oh, it's 111. Oh no, then this is 119. Then this is 119. Then this is 36. Thank you so much.
Wait, sir, how is B145?
Yeah, I got 138.
Which
for
one?
B.
I got 138.2.
Really, meh? Oh, my
Yeah.
calculator is in radian, no wonder. Okay, sorry, this is 138.222. 138 km. Okay, so this is 36. This is 36. 90 sine 25 divided by sine 36. 64.710, approximately 64.7 km. Find the bearing of A from C. So draw arrow up. This is the bearing of A from C. So we can call this point X. So what do? I need to find this angle. How to find this angle?
Wait, why is it that angle?
From C what?
But then it's A.
Of A from C. Oh, turn until here only. Here. Correct?
Yeah.
So how to find this one? Walao, very troublesome already. So first I find the angle lah. So angle XCB is equals to 180 minus 120, correct? 60 degree. So this angle here is 60 degree. I still need to find the small angle. How to find a small angle? I have this length AC, which is 138.222. I can use sine rule to find this small angle. Okay, so sine 111 over 138.222 is equals to sine BCA over 77.5. So sine BCA equals to 77.5 times sine 111 over 138.222. So angle BCA equals to sine inverse. Then what do we have? you should get 31.564. Approximately 31.6 degree. So the bearing of A from C will be 360 minus 60 minus 31.564. We will get 268.435. Okay, the question say round off to the nearest degree. So 268 degree. Okay, this one don't leave to 1 dp because the question say to nearest degree. Otherwise, normally we change it to 1 dp. So far, okay, everyone?
Yeah.
E. A ship sends a distress signal that a crew member has fallen overboard. A search and rescue team decided to comb the area enclosed by BCD. So, to find area BCD, it's just your formula. Half AB sin C. I got the 90. I got the BD, which is 64.710. Which angle should I use?
119.
119. This is 119, not 120, sorry. That will give me 2546.84. Round off to 3 significant figure, I will get 2550 cm squared, meter km squared. Okay, last but not least, a helicopter hovering 3 km vertically above port B, calculate the angle of elevation from port C. So you must remember that B and C is actually on a straight line, on the flat ground. So we see from the side view now, B and C is on a flat ground. The distance is 90 km. The helicopter is above B, 3 km. Find the angle of elevation, which is this theta. So what do? We just do tangent theta equals to opposite over adjacent. So theta equals to tangent inverse 3 over 90. Get 1.909, round off to 1 decimal place, 1.9 degree.
Wait, so how come E need to round off one?
What? Why don't need to round off?
Why cannot leave at 2546.84?
3 sig fig, hello, the rule. Not exact 3 significant figure.
Okay.
Unless you got too much marks to give away lah. Okay, next. Can let's finish up. 49. B is due east of A. This tells me that this is 90 degree. Very important information. The rest of the information are there. Calculate the bearing of C from A. So bearing of C from A is just this angle. So A bearing of C from A is just 90 minus 46. The answer is 44. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Wrong.
Why?
044.
Oh,
Okay, next find the distance AC. So quite clearly we use sine rule. But before that we need to find our angle AB. which is 180 minus 46 minus 72, 118. So 62 degree. So we know this is 62 degree. Now we apply our sine rule to find our AC. So sine 72 over 600 equals to sine 62 over AC. Cross multiply AC sine 72 equals to 600 sine 62. AC will be equals to 600 sine 62 over sine 72. Five 557.0316, approximately 557K. So this is 557 meter. T is the shortest distance from C to AB. So this is the shortest distance. So how to find the shortest distance?
Half base times height equals AB half AB sine C.
The fastest way is just use Picasso.
Oh,
This is my angle, this is my opposite, this is my hypotenuse. Okay, I call this X. So I got opposite hypotenuse, I use sine. Sine 46 equals to CX over my AC, 557.0316. You can use area to find, but this is the most efficient way. You prefer to do your way, then you do your way, it's fine. This straight away give me 400.695 meter, approximately 401 meter. Ariane, which one better?
this one.
Next. CT is a tower at vertical tower at C. The angle of elevation from A is 15 degree. Find the height of CT. So now we see from the side view. Okay, so C is here, A is here, the tower is here. This point is T. Then the angle of elevation is 15. Remember, we always draw here, we don't draw the top one. So what is CA? CA is what? CA is 557.0316. So how to find the height of the tower CT? We use Picasso lah. So tangent 15 equals to opposite over adjacent. So CT equals to 149.256, approximately 149 meter. Okay, any questions so far?